Hey guys, it's Krista. Just thought I'd hop on and talk to you for a little while. If you have subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. And I enjoy our conversations. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do so below and be sure to hit the bell so that you're notified whenever we post videos here. All right. What am I going to talk about today? I was sitting before I turned on the camera and thoughts of deserving. Let me tell you how my meditation practice went today. We're going to do this meditation together as a group. So we're going to meditate as a group. And when you close your eyes, what I did today, repeat. I am a child of the universe. I manifest all that I intend. I am a child of the universe. I manifest all that I intend. I am a child of the universe. I manifest all that I intend. I am a child of the universe. I manifest all that I intend. I am a child of the universe. I manifest all that I intend. I am a child of the universe. I manifest all that I intend. Now, do you believe that? Do you believe that you're a child of the universe? Do you believe that you manifest your reality? And do you believe that the power of your intentions brings forth manifestation of your reality? So this is a lot of presumptions or assumptions. Let's start with this idea of believing, because do you believe these statements? Do you believe you deserve what you want? It's a big one. Do you believe you deserve the things that you want in life? And first, we have to look at changing our old belief patterns of not deserving, not feeling worthy. So we have a lot of work to do. And this is a series. I think we'll create some kind of series out of this because there are some steps we're going to take here. First, we have to look at what our belief patterns, our beliefs are. So I think we'll set a journaling exercise up to mind dump our thoughts and look at what we believe. Because when I ask people, what do you want? I don't know. What do you believe? Now, we have certain beliefs that are really crystal clear, but what do you believe about yourself in terms of what you deserve or how you create reality? How is reality here today for you? Is it you're a victim of reality? You're a unsuspecting bystander that's just taken along for the ride? Or do you think that you actively participate in manifesting your reality? And really, whether we like it or not, we are actively participating in creating our reality. But what are you manifesting? Are you manifesting more of what you don't want? We hear these things all the time. And if you're watching this, you're interested, so you probably are connecting to what I'm saying. But do you just keep telling yourself things in the hopes that you'll believe them eventually? Because I spent a lot of years of my life doing that, a lot. And I think think to a degree, maybe it's part of the process and a little bit necessary in the beginning. But I'd like to help you tap into something that I've finally tapped into. If you aren't here already, and if you are, I'm excited to be here with you now, wherever we are. I don't even know what that is. I'm starting to understand how to believe. Believe in what? I'm starting to understand that I have to create my own beliefs. So, for example, self-worth has been a huge issue my entire life. I had not believed that I was worthy of certain things. I had these blocks, these mental blocks, unconscious ones actually. And I moved into a place of believing that I deserve all the things I intend or want to have. So it's not just a matter of thinking or saying, I want to meet the man of my dreams, or I want perfect health. I believe that I deserve perfect health. I believe that I deserve to have a beautiful life and to feel joy beyond belief and to be unable to articulate how madly and deeply in love I am with someone, and to wake up every morning really jumping up and down for joy that I get another day. We'll work on all this together. If you like these sit downs, please let me know. It's kind of hard for me to do these. I've had people ask for it, so here I am. And I want to raise my level of consciousness. And I certainly wouldn't mind company in the process. And that's kind of why I'm here right now. So, see you soon.